Tired of trading your time for money? In this video, I'll show you 10 real passive income ideas that actually work in 2025. No gimmicks, no BS. If you want to build freedom and cash flow, you're in the right place. Let's crack the code. 1. YouTube automation channels. You don't need to show your face or record yourself. Use AI voiceovers, stock videos, and a clear niche like finance, tech, or motivation. Channels like this can generate thousands a month with AdSense, affiliate links, and digital products. 2. Selling Notion or Excel templates. Build once, sell forever. Productivity templates, financial planners, habit trackers, all sell great on Gumroad or Etsy. Cost to start? Almost zero. Profit margin? Close to 100%. Third, vending machines. Passive in the real world. Machines selling snacks, shakes, or supplements in gyms or offices can bring 300 to 800 euros per month per unit. You outsource refills and focus on placement. Cash flow on autopilot. 4. Selling eBooks with AI. You can write entire eBooks with ChatGPT, design them with Canva, and sell them on Amazon KDP or Gumroad. Best niches: self-help, money, fitness, parenting. 5. Affiliate marketing with SEO. Build a simple blog, rank for best credit cards or top online brokers, and earn commissions when people sign up. Takes time, but once it ranks, it pays you while you sleep. 6. Print-on-demand stores. You design the shirt, someone else prints and ships it. Sites like Redbubble, Teespring, or Printify handle everything. You focus on catchy slogans and trends. 7. Investing in dividend ETFs. The most classic form of passive income. ETFs like SCHD or VUSA give you regular payouts with low risk. You need capital to make it meaningful, but it's ultra-passive and scalable. 8. Creating a digital course record once, sell forever. Use platforms like Udemy or Gumroad. If you have knowledge in finance, design, or productivity, this is gold. AI tools can help you structure the course in hours. 9. License-free YouTube music channels. Upload relaxing music or lo-fi beats with royalty-free tracks. Channels that loop calming videos can rack up millions of views and generate serious AdSense. 10. Subletting properties on Airbnb. Find landlords willing to let you rent and relist their properties on Airbnb. You manage the process remotely, use automated cleaners, and profit from the spread. Passive income is not set it and forget it. It's build it once, profit repeatedly. Pick one of these ideas and commit to it for 90 days. Subscribe to the Cashflow Code for real strategies to escape the 9-to-5 and live on your terms. Let's crack the code together.